Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about density. We will discuss about the density. The main term where density depends are density is like, firstly we should go think about the mass of an object, and later on we will discuss about the volume of the object. Means these are the two terms on which density depends. Now we can just go understand with the help of a formula. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Indicated density is directly proportional to the mass of the object and inversely proportional, and it is inversely proportional to the volume of an object. Means if mass of the object will increase, then density will also increase, but in the case volume will increase, then density will decrease. Like we can say mass is directly proportional to density, but volume is inversely proportional to the density. Indicated that if we want to just understand any object whose volume is very high, will definitely float. And if we will say if any object which is having less mass comparatively but volume is less, mass is heavy but volume is less, we can say it will sink inside the water. Like how to define density, how we can just understand the definition of the density. So in such situation, if we will consider volume as unit or volume 1 meter cube. So if volume will be 1, so density is equal to mass upon 1. Mass upon 1 means density is equal to mass. So we can say density will equal to mass per unit volume. By this way we can easily find the definition. Density is equal to, or density of an object will be equal to the mass per unit volume. How? This is the way we can define density. Density of a substance is defined as its mass per unit volume. With this way we can find. Now how we can go through the SI unit of density. See, SI unit of mass is kg, and SI unit of volume is equal to L into B into H. Meter into meter into meter means meter cube. So SI unit of mass is kg and SI unit of volume is meter cube. So SI unit of density will become kilogram per meter cube. We can write down in this term SI unit of density kilogram per meter cube. We can write down kilogram meter minus 3. By this way we can understand the SI unit of density. And here one more thing which we can discuss, we can take the example of a nail and a ship. Because a heavy ship is having very higher volume is very high, volume high, so density low, that is why it is floating on the water. But in the other case, when we are taking the example of the small nail is having very low volume low, density high, that nail that sink inside the water. So by this way we can understand the density directly proportional to mass and volume inversely proportional to density. So define mass per unit volume. SI unit will be kilogram per meter cube. Thank you very much.